So my summer garden is ready. As you know, I have a small porch. I cannot put anything on the ground. So I have bought 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stands. So let me give you a closer look. These are all seasonal flower. So all are summer plants. This is my gardenia. This is marigold. These are also summer plants. This is gardenia. And this is jasmine, by the way. This is jasmine, deshi jasmine. This is gardenia. That's water lily, fuchsia. These are all summer plants. This is my rose section. These two, I don't know what's the name of it. So this is my seedling for chili, Bangladeshi chili, which I bought from eBay. 3 rose plant. So last time I showed you that I bought seedlings from eBay. So now it's completely like this with fruits and flower. So I got 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm trying to make them. These are desi one. And this is my eggplant, which is also in big shape. No fruit or flower yet. And that is my hanging section. So this is it pretty much. I'm done with my gardening. Today we also bought a portable roaster machine because it's summer and we go outdoor a lot. So it's easy for us to do barbecue outdoor and roasting outdoor. So that's it. So bye bye.